Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're looking at one of the most surprising and ambitious creations in the automotive world, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. When you think of Ferrari, you probably imagine sleek supercars, V12 engines, and Formula One dominance. But Ferrari has taken a bold leap into uncharted territory with a motorhome that combines their racing heritage with luxury travel. It sounds almost impossible, but what they've built is nothing short of breathtaking. This is not your average family camper or weekend getaway RV. It's a rolling supercar mansion designed for those who want exclusivity, performance, and luxury in one extraordinary package. On the outside, the Ferrari Motorhome is instantly recognizable as part of the Ferrari family. The design team took cues from their sports cars, so instead of a boxy or utilitarian shape, you get an aerodynamic masterpiece that looks like it belongs on the track as much as the open road. The front fascia is sharp and low, featuring Ferrari's signature nose with aggressive air intakes and LED headlights that resemble those on the SF90. The sculpted body panels are made from lightweight carbon fiber composites, helping reduce weight despite the vehicle's massive size. Side skirts, aerodynamic fins, and flush handles give it a sleek, futuristic appearance, while the massive alloy wheels, inspired by Ferrari's racing rims, add both performance and style. The rear end is equally dramatic, with quad exhaust, tips, a sculpted diffuser, and a sweeping LED taillight bar that stretches across the width, echoing Ferrari's latest design language. Even though it's a motorhome, it has a stance that screams speed and elegance. When parked, side panels extend outward automatically, expanding the living space. And of course, it wears the iconic prancing horse badge proudly, letting everyone know this isn't just another luxury RV. It's Ferrari redefining what a motorhome can be. Step inside, and the Ferrari Motorhome takes luxury to a level most people can only dream about. The interior feels like a blend of a Ferrari cockpit and a high-end Italian penthouse. The moment you enter, you're greeted with premium leather surfaces stitched in the same style you'd find in their supercars. Combined with carbon fiber trims and Alcantara accents, every material is hand-finished, and the design follows Ferrari's philosophy of elegance through simplicity. The driver's cockpit is a marvel in itself. A racing-inspired steering wheel comes equipped with the famous Manettino dial for different driving modes, and the digital cluster displays performance data with the same graphics as Ferrari's sports cars. Augmented reality navigation projects routes onto the windshield, and Ferrari's advanced semi-autonomous driving system assists on highways, although the motorhome is built for those who want to enjoy driving themselves. The living space flows seamlessly from the cockpit. A spacious lounge area includes two expandable sofas upholstered in fine leather, a retractable dining table crafted from Italian wood, and a massive OLED screen for entertainment. Ferrari hasn't forgotten about lighting either. Adaptive, ambient LEDs run through the cabin, adjusting brightness and color automatically depending on the time of day, giving the interior a warm and dynamic atmosphere. The kitchen is as refined as it is functional, with stainless steel finishes, a built-in wine cooler, induction stove, smart refrigerator, and even an espresso machine customized with Ferrari branding. This isn't just cooking on the go, it's a gourmet experience tailored to those with refined tastes. Moving further back, the bedroom is pure indulgence. A king-sized bed with adjustable firmness zones and memory foam layers ensures comfort after long drives. The bedding is embroidered with Ferrari logos, and the room includes a personal entertainment system and large windows with electronic blinds for privacy. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with marble effect walls, a rainfall shower, heated floors, and even a compact soaking tub, something unheard of in most motorhomes. Every corner of the Ferrari Motorhome interior reminds you that this isn't about compromise. It's about living the Ferrari lifestyle wherever you go. Of course, performance is where Ferrari truly separates itself from the rest. Underneath, this motorhome is not a sluggish diesel engine, but a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain derived from Ferrari's road cars. A twin-turbocharged V8 engine works in harmony with electric motors, producing an output that exceeds 900 horsepower. That's right, a motorhome with supercar power. Despite its size, it accelerates with authority, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, making it the fastest motorhome ever created. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, delivering stability and smoothness whether you're on highways or winding mountain roads. Four-wheel steering and advanced aerodynamics ensure handling is precise, giving the driver confidence and excitement instead of stress. Range is equally impressive thanks to the hybrid system, allowing extended travel without constant refueling. And when driving in city areas, it can run on pure electric mode for short distances, offering a silent and eco-friendly experience. Safety and technology have also been pushed to Ferrari's high standards. The motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a full 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering despite its size.